So here I am still back down in this basement. I think I explained to you that if they would have just brought this drywall over about 6 more inches, we could have had one piece in here. Instead, I had 2 full-length seams going all the way down here because the fiberglass mesh tape cracked. 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 I mean, it cracked everywhere down here. Pretty much anywhere where they put it except the seam. For some reason, it didn't crack on the seam. But I'm looking at where they did fiberglass mesh tape, and they did it right. I mean, they put it on. They used real Durbond because I've scraped some off, and it's real Durbond, I guarantee you. But that's why I've often said, if it's going from floor to ceiling or wall to wall, I like paper tape because I don't want to have to come back for a bunch of cracks. So, but this is really difficult, guys, because it's so much different stuff. I've got old drywall. I've got new drywall. I mean, pieces, patches. I have to go over all of the existing stuff. And when I'm dusting down and I'm 10 boxing, 12 boxing, angle boxing, and doing all of that stuff, there's no set pattern down here. You have to make one. You have to sit there and decide, okay, what am I going to do? What pattern am I going to keep up with? Because if I just came down here willy-nilly, I'd be lost. Like I said, just completely lost. As it is, see, I missed a piece of tape there. And another thing I missed, I just seen it today, was this corner bead popped. So I tried to put a screw in there. There was nothing here. Absolutely nothing here. So then I took a screwdriver and I thought, okay, I'll crimp it on with a screwdriver. You guys, old timers, know what a crimper is. I used a crimper for many years. I'll crimp it on with a screwdriver. That didn't work. So I pushed it up the best I could, put some fiberglass mesh tape on there, taped it down. It should work. It should be okay. But my gosh, this is a tough one, guys. This really is a tough one. So far, I've put on 2 boxes of mud more than I thought I was going to need. And I still got 2 more boxes to try to skim this and sand it. But I have 1 extra in my truck, hoping that the 3 boxes is enough to get this all skimmed and get it all sanded. So, you know, that's just it, guys. Get a pattern. Figure out how to do it. I don't think I'm going to shoot any more videos down here. Have a great day. Hey, if you really like this video, subscribe. And if you really, really like this video, share it with somebody else. You have a great day.